Hi, my name is Abraham. I'm a contractor based out in Kerala. I came across Modular Pulse or the precast sessions in Instagram or on Facebook somewhere. So what curiosity was that they were focusing about prefabrications. So being in a construction industry and just wanted to get ahead in the industry, I thought like, what is this? Let me, because I've been attending few different seminars, some sessions in different aspects in related to construction, that including interiors and all those things. So I was actually peculiarly interested what this can add to my portfolio. So that is how I actually started to what do you say? I actually applied for this attended for the first session, which was a free session, if I'm correct, from which I got an understanding about prefabrication, prefabricated. Sorry, it's not fabricated, precast buildings, and USPC. Most of the peculiarity is that for me, being a small contractor, getting an enlightenment into the industry, um, found that it is little expensive for me to come in. That is a insight which I got because fortunately, unfortunately, if I would have heard about this and brought in investment and all, little bit expensive on the site, the initial setup and all this. So right now, the thing which actually pushed me forward is that USPC. USPC seems to be something which I can start something small from my own, what do you say, balcony. Since I'm in a flat, something which I can start from the balcony. I've been researching into it with Roshan's guidance. I've been in touch with Roshan for a few times. These guys are very helpful in giving information. They are not when I paid for the what do you say the paid session. From that day onward, they're true to the word. You are free for every day. Now onwards, whatever information is available in this industry, whatever we are able to get, we are giving it to you free because you started with us. We want to bring out good people from what do you say from India itself. So they have been very true to that. Even I had a few discussions with them regarding uh, initially started thought of discussion start of the precast factory. So that at this time it seems to be a very huge toll for me. So I thought like we'll start with USPC, and we have been having few much discussions. At times I am looking at some local products. I'm calling up Roshan. Roshan, this is a product from this factory or something like that. He's asking me to let's see. You get the sample, we'll send it across. We'll check it out and see whether it can be used or not. So overall, from my experience, I think I started. I think I was in the second batch or the third batch of Modular Pulse. This thing, not on the first batch, probably on the second batch or the third batch. So from that day onwards, whenever they got the sessions, they put up the sessions. If ever possible, everyone I have been able to attend any session, even for the new people which is there, absolutely free, and we able to attend it and put in so much of insights. We're able to see that there are so many people in the same industry who has been into precasting long before. See, even I got in long before even I got into my industry. That is, I've been in my industry for the past 10 years. So there are people who has been doing this particular thing for more than 10 years, 10, 15 years. So I was actually astonished. I was actually, it gave me an eye-opening of the possibilities which are there. So right now, I'm working on some small small items on the UHPC, trying to source the materials first, then prepare a design mix with the guidance of Roshan and Wasim, and hopefully take this into market probably in another 2, 3 months or 4 months. It depends on how things move out from my side. And to be frank, these guys have been awesome. They have been true to the word which they have said the first time we had the conversation or the meeting. And I hope that people who are able to hear me might understand and take a chance. It's because I took a chance, I'm able to understand all those things. It is up to you to take a chance, attend the free session, and question them. Ask questions. I remember the first session I used to question from this end to that end. They were able to give me all the answers at that time. Still, they're able to give me answers in my questions. See, there might be dumb questions also you might ask. Doesn't matter. But take a chance. It's always being into an industry or trying to, what can I say, trying to build something of your own, you'll have to take your own risks. So I would suggest whoever is listening to me to take a chance with them. And in this testimonial, I would like to say all my best wishes to Roshan and Wasim, and hope that so many other people also get educated on this topic so that we can take our country forward and ourselves forward also.